Popping in to do a review of the Smart Kitchen Scale. It does come with a nice, very easy to use manual. You have the scale itself. It's a pretty good size. So you can see here with my hand, anything that you're cooking in the kitchen or that you're going to be eating as far as servings will fit on this just fine. You have a stainless steel interface here, and then you also have your faceplate. When you hit the power button, you'll see it comes on. It has a full color interface, which is really nice. It has lots of details on what you've been eating for the day. It gives you an indicator on how you're doing calorie-wise. It'll go all the way up here to where it's, indicating too many calories. You can do pounds, you can do kilograms, you can do ounces. So that is really nice. It'll give you kind of a total percentage of how many calories you've eaten for that day. It breaks it all down into your fat, carbs, and protein. You can change the unit very easily to grams, milliliters, ounces. So you have lots of different options with that. And the thing that is really nice is this actually has a lot of saved food in here. So you see it's just automatically going to Apple. I have an apple here. You can go ahead and, let me see if I can balance that on there. You can put your apple on there. It's going to weigh how much it is, and then you can actually use the app to categorize this as to whether it's a breakfast, lunch, dinner, or a snack, and you can kind of track what you're eating every single day. It's going to give you your info kind of at a glance based on the measurement that you're taking. If I go ahead and keep that on there just for weight, you can see you have lots of different, we'll go alphabetically, but you have lots of different fruits, oranges, grapes, avocados, blueberries. There's just a lot of different food options. You've got meats, vegetables, all types of stuff. So you have lots of different options, but say you go with chocolate, it kind of gives you how many calories that would be and all of the information on there. Now if I go ahead and hold this down, it'll turn off. This did come with the batteries already ready to go. You put the batteries on the back. Here's some of the information on the back to just kind of give you an idea of how many pounds it will max out at. Minimum weight is 2 grams, and all of the information you're going to need for that. When you're in the app, you're going to see that you have a lot of information. On the bottom, you have your health. That's going to break it down by day. So if I click on today's date, you're going to see that my scale is off. But if I turn it on, you'll notice that it's going to say connected at the top. So now that's turned green. Anything that I put on there is going to register on the phone, on the app. So you can kind of see that here at the very top. You can change the unit on your phone. You can zero out the scale if you want to. It's going to give you a glance of what your daily intake is for your calories, your fat, carbs, protein. It's telling you what your target is that you can set as well. You also have your quick food selection, and as far as the foods that are saved in here, it has room for up to 50 different foods. So it's kind of nice because if you have sort of a consistent diet that you stay on, most of those things will stay in there. Then you can kind of look at a glance at what you've had for the day, for lunch, for breakfast, dinner, your snacks. If you want to add a food to a meal, you can very easily search for that. So if I say macaroni, you have all kinds of things that are going to come up. Let's just go with macaroni salad. You can go ahead and weigh what you're eating, hit save, hit complete, and now that's going to show up on my lunch for that day. It's going to tell you how many calories it was. It's going to give you all of the nutritional values that you have on there, so that's very helpful. You can go to the analysis at the bottom, and it'll give you a full analysis of what you're eating for that day. So that is really nice. It's a very in-depth app. If you click on trends on the bottom, it's going to go ahead and label exactly what you've eaten for that day. It's going to also go over the breakdown of the composition of the nutritional value. Now this will chart over days, weeks, and months for you. So it's really nice because you can kind of see an outlook of what you've been eating. And then if you click the more button, you have some account settings and things that you can play with there that are pretty nice. Now you do set up your weight, your gender, your height. your age in this, and that is what it uses to go ahead and kind of balance out what your numbers are for the day. So that's what that's rating that off of. But overall, there are a ton of data points in here that you can manage, so that is really cool. Overall, this scale is a really nice option if you're really trying to keep track of exactly what you're eating, your calories, how much. It's really nice because you have it at a glance on the app as well on your phone. Hopefully my review has helped you decide if it's the right product for you or not, but overall, very excited about it. This is a product the manufacturer has sent me in exchange for my honest, unbiased opinion. We're really excited to use it, and I think you'll enjoy it too.